a quick tip real quick on how, if you got a roll cage in your car that's not fully rusted and everything like that, gotta throw some paint on it. Painted black at the track. But anyways, if you want to make it where you can get your carpet in here and have a pretty good seal and everything, this is what I did. So you'll see this is kind of cut and it goes around it and everything. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to be doing that to this right here. So what I've done is I've got this laid in, got it sitting where it's going to sit, and I've kind of started, I made a little mark right here. This is my mark to know, hey, this is where my hole is going to start essentially. But I'm going to show you all step by step kind of what I do so that the carpet will flex around the roll cage. So what you do is you get yourself a piece of tubing. Same size or smaller, not bigger, same size or smaller as the roll bar tubing that is in your car. And what you'll see is on mine, I actually took the grinder. If you ain't got a grinder, it's no real big deal. I don't know why, but if you ain't got a grinder, no big deal. And I put a little bit of a sharp edge on it. I put an angle on the outside. Now, what we're gonna do is, we got our marks here. This lets us know where it actually starts. And so this will sit down in there like so. And you're probably wondering, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna take a hammer and whack it? Well, you're about to see. Once I got the blowtorch lit, I took that in and I just heated it up. And all I did was I took it right where my mark was, stuck it down in there and spun it. Just like that. When you spin it, it'll make a perfect hole. What it actually does, it'll cut you out one of those. Or like I just did, boom. Then you cut you a slit so you can lay it down and lay the carpet down. I'm about to do it on the other side and show y'all how it sits in the car. And ta-da! You see a little bit of the insulation poking through, but we'll tuck that in. And then you see I made my slice. Well, that'll be, the ends will be covered up by the little panels, but perfectly fits right around it. You take that little bit of stuff there and stuff it down and you won't even notice that somebody cut a hole in it. But that's how you, if you want to make it where you got a hole in your carpet for your roll cage, but you don't want it to fray and everything like that. After you cut a hole in it, you don't want to try to jig-jag around with some scissors to make a perfect hole. Get yourself a piece of tubing, heat it up, cut a hole in it, make yourself a pathway to get it on the pole, and it'll lay pretty good. After getting the carpet laid in, I was looking at some old pictures of the car when I first got it. Then looking at the car now, needless to say, I'm excited, and I just want to say thank you for everybody watching.